Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable hide location on Bigo Live. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up Bigo Live on your mobile device. Tap on the Me icon at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on the Settings icon at the top right of your screen. Select Privacy. Now you can go ahead and enable the Hide Location button. And that's it. This is how you hide your location on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.